there and make some money.
Barbershops, bowling alleys, gyms, and tattoo parlors opened their doors on Friday in Georgia, the first state in the country to allow an array of small businesses to reopen in the midst of the coronavirus crisis and despite warnings from health experts.
I got to pay rent, and I got to pay my barber some money to help them out.
Atlanta barber Tommy Thomas said his shop is only accepting clients who've made an appointment and says he's following the state's other guidelines.
I ain't crazy about wearing gloves, cutting hair. I ain't crazy about wearing a mask, but I'm going to comply with our government and do what we need to do to be operating. But it's better to do this than sit at home and lose my business.
We will allow gyms.
Georgia Governor Brian Kemp pushed ahead with lifting restrictions, disregarding warnings from public health experts. But not all eligible businesses in Georgia are jumping at the chance to reopen, and many residents agree it's too soon for them to do so.
We need to be safe. We're not sure really. The stats on everything seem to be conflicting sometimes. So, a haircut is not something I have to have.
As much as I would love to get one, I do not think it makes sense to open these businesses way before the curve and before we hit the peak.
I wouldn't go to a gym at this point because there's too much sweating and breathing heavy and all that stuff. But I don't know.
Americans have received mixed signals from President Donald Trump about when and how the country should begin to get back to work after calling on Democratic governors in big states to liberate their citizens from the stay-at-home orders. In a reversal this week, he said he disapproved of Georgia's move to reopen.
Barbershops, tattoo parlors, I love them. But they can wait a little bit longer, just a little bit, not much.
While Georgia is the first state to authorize a widespread reopening, Oklahoma was also opening some retail businesses on Friday. A model used by the White House says coronavirus hospitalizations in Georgia will peak next week. The same model predicts that Oklahoma already hit its peak on Tuesday. Public health experts have said relaxing restrictions in Georgia could lead to a surge in infections and more deaths. But for Thomas, getting back to business couldn't have come soon enough.
Heck yeah, I missed it. I love talking to people. I love to laugh. I love to smile. I love to joke and have fun. This job I've had for 50 years, it ain't a job. It's a social scene.